It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the Coca-Cola Company. It is for us a great privilege to welcome you all. We have just launched our program to create a portfolio of beverages for life. The beverages for life as a concept is a pretty exciting concept as it straddles every occasion during the day of a person where they turn to having a beverage. This entire concept would give all of you the opportunity of not only working with some of the most iconic brands in the world, but also an opportunity to develop new offerings to the consumer which could add significant value to the consumer as well as to the company.
My name is Shruti Singh Mangawa and I am from FMS.
My name is Saloni Kapoor and I am from IIM Bangalore.
I am Raghavendra from XLRI Jamshedpur.
I am Arushi Chaturvedi from MDI Gurgaon.
I am Seep from XLRI Jamshedpur.
I am Tushar and I am from IIM Calcutta.
I am Ayushi Dubey. I am from XLRI Jamshedpur.
I am Sajni Shri. I am from IIM Ahmedabad.
I am Ayush Kumar Juneja, student of IIM Ahmedabad.
I am Shahina from IIM Bangalore.
My name is Shruti Soni and I am from Management Development Institute, Gurgaon.
I am Arushi Paliwal from XLRI Jamshedpur.
My name is Salman Habib Khan and I am from FMS Delhi.
My name is Hari Krishnan and I am from IIM Calcutta.
We have been running the Mantra program for the last 10 years, and this program has been extremely exciting for us as it has been for all the participants of Mantra. It is in millennials like you that we look for solutions. We look for approaches which would help us to retain our relevance in this fast changing world, in this world where things can only change.
At Coca-Cola, I've been working in the Customer and Commercial Leadership Division, and my project is to build and pilot the third-party marketplace e-commerce strategy for India, and the customer that I've been working with is Amazon.
My project is on developing an employee value proposition for Coca-Cola India, which can then be leveraged for the employer branding strategy for CCI.
My project is on the growth strategy of the company, wherein I have to segment and prioritize markets based on market potential and suggest winning strategies in each market.
My project is to design a 360-degree approach and advocacy strategy for all the key stakeholders with respect to category management of carbonated drinks.
I was interning in Bangladesh where I had to come up with a launch and activation campaign for a new product which will be launched later in the year.
My project is Thumbs Up Thunder Challenge and I had to create the entire blueprint for the project.
Working with Coke was amazing. It was a very enriching experience for me here. It's a very open culture, so you can actually go and talk to anyone. So you get a lot of learnings not only from your department but across departments.
I have sat with agencies, discussed briefs, gone on consumer emotions. I am actually going to be sitting at recordings. I've developed a lot of media material. So it's actually been a lot of fun.
The week-long induction program which we had, it was a great platform to interact and bond with all the interns and also get to know more about the company, the products and the leaders.
The experience in Coca-Cola was actually very awesome. The people were always approachable and the culture was very exciting. So this was experienced both in India and in Sri Lanka as well. So it has to be the fact that makes Coca-Cola special.
So being a Mantra intern to me is sitting on a joyride. So we're learning, we're having fun, we're having amazing food. So that is being a Mantra intern.
My experience as an intern in Coke had been super exciting. Like these are the 2 months are the best months of my MBA. For me, Coca-Cola was something I always associated with friendship and having fun with friends.
Even before joining Coke, I knew that most of its brands are the most valuable in each of the category.
Coca-Cola in India came in 1993 and that's the year I was born. So I believe that I was made to work for this company.
Coke has the best ads, the best campaigns, and whenever you look at a Coke ad, it makes you feel very good. So the campaign that they had about open happiness, I think that was one thing that resonated with a lot of people.
I knew that Coke stood for happiness and it is one of the biggest brands in the world.
Being in Coca-Cola was always one of the most sought after things right from campus because of the fact of the seniors' feedback about the company and also being a market leader.
So the one thing that I loved about this internship was that I got the opportunity to visit Nepal for the first time. I was entrusted with the task of devising a strategy for the entire country, Nepal. what else can an intern ask for?
So there have been a lot of wonderful memories in the last 2 months. The first special memory was on the first day when we came here, the special mantra lounge that was set up for us and all the customized goodies that we got.
How would you feel when the BU president walks over to you casually and asks you how are you doing? And I was like, wow. And such non-hierarchical is the culture.
So thank you very much, and I am seriously looking forward to meeting you as you are on this Mantra program in your various projects and learning from you and adding value to myself and the Coca-Cola company. Thank you and wish you all the very best.